comes a point in everybody's life when you just can't differentiate. You can't take a derivative. And this would be one of those times. If you look at this absolute value function, if this is f of x equals the absolute value of x, you can't take the derivative at this corner. The only thing that you can really justify is the horizontal line that only touches the curve once. But if you think about what's going on, if you think about zooming in on that portion and continuing to zoom in, you will always see a bend, a 90-degree bend in this case. So you cannot say that any kind of a tangent line would give you a linear approximation. You will never be able to have a linear approximation on a corner like this. And so this is one of the instances of times when you cannot take a derivative. So we're going to add this to our list of places that you can't differentiate, and we're going to call these places cusps. That is the language that you will see for anything that is not a smooth curve. If it has a sharp corner, it is called a cusp, and you cannot differentiate a cusp. Another spot where we can't take the derivative is if we have a gap or a hole. I can't have a tangent line at that point because, by definition, a tangent line is touching the graph in exactly one place. And if this would be the place where the graph was touching it, but there is no point there, then I'm not touching it at that point, obviously. So gaps or holes are other places that you cannot take a derivative. Jump discontinuities are another spot where I can't take a derivative. I cannot make a slope of a tangent line at this x value because my graph is not even connected. And of course, with a vertical asymptote of any kind, I also can't find the slope of the tangent line because, again, there's no point defined at the particular value of x. So that is the other place that we can't differentiate. Any kind of discontinuity, jump discontinuities, vertical asymptote, or holes, removable discontinuities. I cannot find a derivative at any of those places.